Meaning of disarrange.
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 Disarrange. The word disarrange means to disturb the order or organization of something, causing confusion or chaos. The result of disarranging something can be a lack of structure, making it difficult to understand or use. It can also lead to inefficiency, as items may be misplaced or lost due to the disturbance. Disarrangement can cause disruption and inconvenience in daily life, as well as posing a potential safety hazard if it occurs in certain environments, such as a laboratory or construction site.